You can expect a lot from the 2019 Subaru Impreza. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, blind spot sensor, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.